Ever wondered what the future of luxury and performance looks like? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to our in-depth look at the 2025 Audi A4, where elegance meets cutting-edge technology. Alright, starting with the front, the 2025 Audi A4 boasts a bold and aggressive grille design. This isn't just for looks, it's a statement of power and elegance. The angular LED headlights not only look sleek, but also provide superior visibility during night drives. Notice how the grille's design is both modern and functional, enhancing the car's aerodynamics. And those LED headlights, they're not just for show. They offer improved illumination and safety. Moving to the side, the A4 silhouette is all about fluidity and dynamism. Check out these sharp lines that run from the front to the rear, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated look. The sleek side mirrors come with integrated LED turn signals, and the door handles blend seamlessly into the body, reducing drag and adding to the car's overall sleekness. And these wheels? Big, bold, and designed for performance. The black sporty rims aren't just about aesthetics. They're built to enhance the car's handling and stability. Now, let's talk about the rear design. The 2025 Audi A4 has a stunning LED tail light design that gives it a distinctive look at night. The dual exhausts integrated into the bumper not only look aggressive, but also improve the car's performance. The rear diffuser isn't just a sporty add-on. It actually helps with the aerodynamics, providing better stability at high speeds. Stepping inside, you immediately notice the blend of luxury and technology. The steering wheel features multiple controls, allowing you to manage everything from the entertainment system to the driving modes without taking your hands off the wheel. The digital dashboard behind the steering wheel provides all the essential information from speed to navigation. And this infotainment screen, it's huge, intuitive, and packed with the latest tech. The interior materials are top-notch, with leather and metallic accents that scream luxury. Audi has clearly spared no expense in making the A4's cabin a comfortable and stylish place to be. So, what about the price, specs, and release date? Well, the 2025 Audi A4 is expected to start at around $40,000, with higher trims going up to $60,000. Under the hood, we're looking at a powerful engine lineup, including a hybrid option for those who want a blend of performance and efficiency. That's a wrap for our in-depth look at the 2025 Audi A4. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.